Now, this leads to identical twin studies before we get here. There's two things I want you to know about identical twin studies. There's a very small n, and by n we mean sample size. So the sample size for identical twins who've been studied is small. Therefore, conclusions on identical twins, you need to be cautious with it. They're preliminary at best. That's on the test. So, preliminary at best, the results of identical twin studies. Now, if you like identical twins and you're one, or you want to know more about them, then Google Minnesota identical twin studies and you'll get thousands and thousands of studies done with this small group of identical twins. Now, there's a famous case of identical twins called Jim and Jim, because the adoptive parents named them both Jim. Okay. And they're raised and they don't know the other one exists until they're in their 40s. And then they discover they have an identical twin and they finally meet and talk to one another. And then we talk about their similarities, don't we? And then it gets pretty interesting because they both roll their cigarettes up in the sleeve of their t-shirts. They both smoke menthol cigarettes. They both married a woman named Betty. They both have a poodle they called Toy. They both have a workshop in their basement where they do woodworking. They both built a circular bench around the tree in their front yard. Okay, the list of similarities just goes on and on and on with them. Okay, so identically wise, we're very similar when we're identical twins in terms of temperament and in terms of certain characteristics, outgoingness, some things that are pretty hardwired. So we study them to death to try to figure that stuff out.